Dat weet ik niet.
Iemand zegt iets.
Nee.
Dus nou ja.
Oh, with your dad says no sound. Stone.
Heeft hij een berichtje gestuurd?
Nee, gewoon in de chat.
In de chat?
In de chat, ja man. Echt super Nederlands.
Ja, gewoon in de chat.
Ja, gewoon in de chat.
Pans de light.
I believe it's called De Licht.
Pans de licht. Matthijs de light.
Pan's Labyrinth. Nou, laat maar. C'est tout felice lo sai di miau. Miau. Ja?
Praise the Lord.
I only know the tenor partij. Anyway, that was me just playing Hallelujah because Joël said that we got the sound back on the
YouTube.
On Dan's le YouTube.
Dan.
I believe in French it's Dan's.
Dans.
Dan's le YouTube.
Dans.
Georgian.
Glottis on the A.
Dan's.
Dans.
Some of this live now, some sound. Okay, some sound, not all of it. Yeah? Alright, sorry we did that. What other stock piano things are there to be playing?
Sonate pathétique.
Oh, yeah. Anyway, this is... apparently it's very quiet.
No, it's nice.
Now it's good, now it's good. Is it too early to play Hallelujah again? Should we do like a sort of, you know, like a tentative Hallelujah? Like C major, so it's not quite as happy. Like, Hallelujah. Ja. Klinkt eigenlijk best wel gaaf. This was us preemptively playing Hallelujah.
Ja, mijn papa. Ja, I know.
And now we're good?
Klinkt goed, toch?
Ja, alleen zeg mijn vader dat het nog stil is. But Maar ze krijgen het wel echt een beetje later, hè? Een half minuut of zo. Other stock piano pieces to test the sound with?
Alyssa said this is mysterious.
Oh, coole akkoorden.
Wissa.
Wissa, that's very cute. Wait, who said that? Where were you reading from?
Facebook. Bethany Jane.
Oh,
Facebook.
ah, that's adorable. My little niece is watching. Hi, Alyssa.
Big niece.
Big niece, yeah, she's not that young anymore.
She's getting up there.
What? Yeah, we've got sound, right?
Yep.
Thanks everybody for bearing with us. Just waiting for the go ahead from. Yeah? Apparently we're still really quiet.
I'll give it more.
Okay. Anyway, I was going to start with euphonium, but I think I'm just going to start with a piano piece to get into it. Okay. Okay, thanks everybody for joining. We're just going to start straight away. Let us know in the comments if there's anything with the sound, and Joao, the tech man, will... Joaquinho, the tech man, he asks us to call us... He asks us to call him that. Someday, when I'm awfully low, when the world is cold, I will feel a glow just thinking of you and the way you look tonight. Yes, you're lovely with your smile so warm and your cheeks so soft. There is nothing for me but to love you and the way you look tonight. With each word your tenderness grows, tearing my fear apart, and that laugh that wrinkles your nose touches my foolish heart. Lovely, you never ever change. Keep that breathless charm. Won't you please arrange it? 'Cause I love you and the way you look tonight. Ba-ba-da-bee, ba-ba-ya-ba. I just shocked myself. Oh yes, you're lovely, with your smile so warm, and your cheeks so soft. There is nothing for me but to love you, and the way you look tonight, with each word your tenderness grows, tearing my fear apart, and that laugh that wrinkles your nose touches my foolish heart. Lovely, ooh, never, never change. Keep that breathless charm. Won't you please arrange it? 'Cause I love you, and the way you look tonight. And the way you look tonight. And the way you look tonight. Well, hopefully all y'all could hear that.
Poi approves.
Poi approves. Fantastic. So thank you, Poi, for the everything. Hi, Linda. Lovely that you're here. Hi, everybody. Hi, Lynn. Super nice that you're joining us. Hi, Mum. Hi, Beth. Hi, Greg. Hi, Widder's dad. And hi, everybody else who is watching us. If y'all are watching on Facebook, head over to YouTube, because the balance is way better. The sound's really good there. We have like legit microphones and everything. So join us here. On YouTube, exactly.
Join us here because we can only be 3 people.
Yeah, don't actually join us here because of my corona.
Go away.
My corona, I should give that some context. Not that I actually have it. Anyway, today's a really special day in Cornwall. It's Cornwall, so every day is a special day, of course. But there's Flora Day in Helston. And basically, it's the 8th of May every year. And people just get up and dance. It's like a fair, and it's really fun. And I grew up in Cornwall, obviously most of you know that, and I played in brass bands all my life, nearly all my life. Before I started having proper singing lessons, I was having brass band lessons. Like brass instrument lessons. So I brought my euphonium along, even though I haven't played it in like a month, and we're gonna play the Helston Flora verse just for one or two verses for you guys to hear. The really interesting thing is it's been danced the same way for years and years and years, and now because of how houses have been built, people dance in and out of houses, which when does that ever happen? So, fun celebration.
They dance in and out of houses.
Yeah, they dance in and out of houses in like formation, like a fila in Spanish. Fila. Yeah, in a line. Yeah. No, but like a parade, right? Not just a line. Anyway, so this absolute beast of an instrument is my euphonium. Thanks, Gran, for buying it for me. Oh, yeah. Joao's coming to adjust the microphone. I warmed up like an hour ago, and now, of course, it's super, super cold again. I'm hoping that once quarantine is over, that I can invite somebody. I work with 1 or 2 pianists on this as well, and I write a lot of music for it. So I'm hoping in the future we can do some more concerts, actually, of like euphonium instead of just singing. Yeah, right? Yeah. So, here we are. Some sort of version of the Flora dance. Very fun.
Nice.
So, yeah, it's a cute little melody, right? When we actually have chance to get a pianist, I can actually, and my lips a bit back in because I haven't played for ages. So, it's also, I don't want to misquote this. It's something like, I mean, in the UK, it's the equivalent of Veterans Day. I haven't lived there for a long time, so I'm just sort of getting info from Facebook. But it's a very special day in Europe because it's marking 75 years since the beginning or end of World War II? End of World War II. Thanks for Hida. So I thought, since I have this here, I will, I was trying to think of what would be the best thing to do, and I thought Abide With Me would be the best thing to do. So, this is going to be a challenge, and you'll see why in a little bit. But there we go. Abide With Me on euphonium and piano. I hope you enjoyed it. It's really fun doing doing the euphonium stuff. So for sure, I'll be doing more of that in the future. I did think about doing Will Meet Again or Cliffs of Dover, but I don't know them well enough just to play them, and I liked that I could combine the brass band and this with me. The brass band's very much like a British thing. Yeah, 2 instruments at once. I mean, I used to... I remember when I was younger, I'd just sit there and I'd be playing, and then I'd start messing around with the piano, and my dad would always just come in and be like, dude, what are you doing? And I'd just be sat there trying to like work out how to do both at once. So it's a bit of a mind, you know what, because the euphonium is in B flat and this is in C flat. So when I'm playing Abide With Me here in E flat, I actually have to be basically playing like in F here. So I have to be playing this in my head. So it's like, anyway, that was a kind of, what is it called? Like a humble brag. Anyway.
It's super difficult.
It's legit really difficult. Okay, sort of continuing on with...
I'm a bit of a genius myself.
Subreddit, I am very smart. Yeah, we're gonna head over to another, you know, sort of war song, which I played a few weeks ago, but now we've got a really nice sound. So I thought I would do it again, as long as Joao doesn't keep kicking the camera.
Every time. Every single time.
I also didn't write down what key I was supposed to do it in. I think it's in E flat, but I think like all of my pieces today are in E flat. Wrong key. Oh, that was such a nice intro. Ah. No. Sorry. It was the right key. These mist-covered mountains are a home now for me. But my home is the lowlands, and always will be. Someday you'll return to your valleys and your farms, and you're no longer bound to be brothers in arms. Through these fields of destruction, baptisms of fire, yeah, I've witnessed your suffering as the battle raged higher. And though they did hurt me so bad, in the fear and alarm, you did not desert me, my brothers in arms. There's so many different worlds, so many different suns, and we have just one world, but we live in different ones. Now the sun's gone to hell and the moon's riding high. Let me bid you farewell. Every man has to die, but it's written in the starlight, and every line in your palm. We're fools to make Warner Brothers in arms. We're fools to make Warner Brothers in arms. Brothers in Arms by Dire Straits.
It's your father's song.
Yeah, it's one of my dad's favorite songs. Yeah, thanks, Greg.
I think my father has been told that he looks like Mark Knopfler of the Dire Straits.
I mean, there are worse things, right?
I guess.
Ah, there we go. Yeah. Yep, I know what we're going to do. We're going to stay in the UK for a little while, and we're going to do a song that I first learned of in a fish finger advert. I think it was from Iceland, or some random British brand. I think it's British. And they just had this gorgeous version of it.
Not Iceland, the country.
No, not Iceland, the country. As in, like, Iceland, the, like, shot. It's like a Albertine.
Yeah.
And really cool song. Yeah, I decided to I decided to write slightly different lyrics. So a lot of it is, the chorus is from the original, and the beginning and the end verse, and then the rest I sort of made it a little bit more Cornish and a little bit more like you're sat in the middle of a harbour looking out to sea as the sun's going down, like that kind of a vibe. Because the English one was quite violent, and I think it's a nice song, so it's like, yeah, we don't need violence. So, He shall have a fishy on a little dishy, he shall have a fishy when the boat comes in. See the waters breaking for the fishermen waking, children sitting waiting till the boat comes in. Dance to your daddy, my little laddie. Dance to your daddy, to your mommy sing. Dance to your daddy, sing to your mommy. Dance to your daddy when the boat comes in. Shores of fish are streaming, sets the fishermen dreaming, and the children beaming. Mackerel, hake and ling. Castanets at sunrise to the seas of turquoise, where they meet the blue skies, where the boat comes in. Dance to your daddy, my little laddie. Dance to your daddy, to your mommy sing. Dance to your daddy, sing to your mommy. Dance to your daddy when the boat comes in. Far across the water sits the fisherman's daughter. Mammy won't ignore her when the boat comes in. Starry skies and fish pies, footprints on the quayside. No more fear of storm tide when the boat comes in. Dance to your daddy, my little laddie. Dance to your daddy, to your mommy sing. Dance to your daddy, sing to your mommy. Dance to your daddy when the boat comes in. Dance to your daddy, my little laddie. Dance to your daddy, to your mommy sing. Dance to your daddy, sing to your mommy. Dance to your daddy when the boat comes in. Ye shall have a fishy on a little dishy. Ye shall have a fishy when the boat comes in. Ye shall have a fishy on a little dishy. Ye shall have a fishy when the boat comes in. Really, really cool little folk song called.
So cute.
It's very cute, isn't it? When the boat comes in, and I love this chord sequence of. And then. Anyway, cute little song. And of course, we've had our quota of like one cute or one happy song, so now we need to do something really depressing. So as most of you know, I talk a lot with when I talk. I have contact with a Dutch translator called Anne Spalter. She does amazing translations into Dutch. And last week, I was like, I suddenly thought, oh, I know a really nice song that I think would work really nice in Dutch. And so I sent it to her, and the day later, I got a reaction. So that was very cool. And yeah, here it is. Joao, would you mind turning the headphones down a little bit? Because I can really hear it, obviously.
Sorry.
Can you turn?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So here we are. This is, you're going to recognize it. So I hope you enjoy it.
William Joel.
Kilometers.
William of Joel.
In ieder hart een toevluchtsoord, waar elke wond weer wordt geheeld. Voorbije liefdes schuilen daar, tot er een nieuwe liefde speelt. Bedachtzaam heb ik het gedeeld. Je was oprecht, geen schone schijn. Toch heb ik vast te veel gezegd. Ik durf alleen nog stil te zijn. Vond ik een roos, het was een soort die vol met doornen bleek te zijn. Zo gaat het voort, zo gaat het voort. Een liefde in de kiem gesmoord. Ging jij mijn stilte uit de weg? Ik was me daar niet van bewust. Ik deel met jou mijn toevluchtsoord en breek mijn hart dan maar gerust. Ik sluit mijn ogen, ik hou mijn woord. Ik heb al vaak te veel gezien. Zo gaat het voort, zo gaat het voort. En jij alleen weet van dat oord. Als ik kon zeggen wat ik wou, koos ik voor jou nu zelf bewust. Maar lieve schat, het is aan jou. En breek mijn hart maar dan gerust. Zo gaat het voort, zo gaat het voort. En jij alleen weet van dat oord. Zo gaat het voort. And So It Goes by Billy Joel. William Joel. William Joel. Yeah, a really lovely little song. And a gorgeous translation by Ans Bouter. Dus dankjewel, Ans. Ja. What else did we have for tonight? So last week I did a 2 German songs and like more classical songs, and I really liked them. And I was listening to them a lot afterwards. I listened to the concerts afterwards, and I really loved. Yeah, I was sat at home today thinking, which classical songs do I know that can work really well with piano? I was kind of lazy this week, and I was like, last week I was like, I'm going to go through my classical repertoire and I'm going to see what songs I have. Like, maybe this could work, maybe that could work. And I woke up today and was like, which classical songs do I have? And then I thought I would do this one. It's a gorgeous song by Vaughan Williams, Whither Must I Wander? And it's not so far from how I play generally anyway, because it's very folk-inspired. And I'm going to do it in a medley with a lovely spiritual for Anne and Hans. Must I wander, hunger my driver, I go where I must. Cold blows the winter wind over hill and heather, thick drives the rain and my roof is in loved of wise men was the shade of my roof tree. The true word of welcome was spoken in the door. Dear days of old with the faces in the firelight, kind folks of old, you come again no more. Home was home then, my dear, full of friendly faces. Home was then, my dear, happy for the child. Fire and the windows bright glittered on the moorland. Song, tuneful song, built a palace in the wind. Now when day dawns on the brow of the moorland, lone stands the house and the chimney stone is cold. Lone let it stand, now the friends are all departed. The kind hearts, the true hearts that loved the place of old. Spring shall come, spring again, calling up the moorfowl. Spring shall bring the sun and rain, bring the bees and flowers. Red shall the heather bloom over hill and valley. Soft flow the stream through the even flowing hours. Fair the day shine as it shone on my childhood. Fair shine the day on the house with open door. Birds come and cry there, and twitter in the chimney, but I go forever and come again no more. Nobody knows the troubles I've seen. Nobody knows my sorrows. Oh, I have seen the vision of life. I have seen the vision, but then one day that vision was gone, gone, gone. Nobody knows the troubles I've seen. Nobody knows my troubles. Nobody knows the troubles I've seen. No, no. Oh, I have seen the vision of life. I have was gone, 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 gone. Nobody knows the troubles I've seen. Nobody knows my sorrows. Nobody knows the troubles I've seen. No, I have seen a vision of life. I have seen the vision, but then one day that vision was gone, gone, gone. Nobody knows the troubles I've seen. Nobody knows my sorrows. Nobody knows the troubles I've seen. No, no, no. No, no, no. Ooh. Yeah, there we go. That was another very emotional song. 2 emotional songs. Woo. Wow, that was once again not expecting to sing a B flat today.
Oops.
Oops. Hi, Seth.
Sorry. B flat.
Oh, I just sung so high, you know. No, that was a really lovely song by Vaughan Williams, which is actually a melody by Robert Burns, which I didn't know until today. And Nobody Knows the Troubles I've Seen, which I first learned on a TV show called Recess, which was a hilarious little TV show from the US. And they had this one guy who had this super high voice, and then whenever he sung, he had this really, nobody knows, this really bass voice. So it was a funny thing. And I remember sat there when I was, I don't know, 6 or 7, just being like, oh, I love this song. And I was just listening to it and started playing it, and that's been in my repertoire ever since. Whew. Is it just me or is it hot in here? Like,
Sing the Rose.
The Rose, that's
Sarah
true.
and
Yes.
Lynn.
A lot of people had suggested this one. And the plan was to start off with this one, and then we got I got distracted by, you know, getting so excited about the euphonium. Some say love, it is a river that drowns a tender reed. Some say love, it is a razor that leaves your soul to bleed. Some say love, it is hunger, an endless aching need. I say love, it is a flower, and you, it's only seed. It's the heart afraid of breaking that never learns to dance. It's the dream afraid of waking that never takes a chance. It's the one who can't be taken, who cannot seem to give, and the soul afraid of dying that never learns to live. When the night has been too lonely and the road has been too long, and you think that love is only for the lucky and the strong, just remember in the winter, far beneath the bitter snow, lies the seed that with the sun's love in the spring becomes the rose. The Rose. Really nice little song. I remember I always used to sing that with my sister. So when my sister's here on holiday, we'll have to get her to one of these concerts and to do a little duet together. I'm sure she'd be fine with that.
Keep an eye on the comments section.
Yeah. Anne and Hans, you are very welcome. Thank you for joining. Lynn, well, that's lovely to read. I'm glad it could mean something to you on this special day. Whew. Yeah. Okay. Time for something a little bit fun. We're gonna do a sort of U-turn round to Georgia. And there's this very cool band that I saw once, and I really liked one of their songs. So here we go. This is Tu gamoits die gels, which means if you give me your hand. Tres, tu gamoits moritz die gels. Tuga moritz die schara perstro, ara perstro. Dat tu chwal, Gwianik neba chwal, Gwianik neba rom, albat schal, gamat pops. Moritz die gels, Tuga moritz die schara perstro, ara perstro. Da tu chwal, Gwianik neba chwal, Gwianik neba rom, albat schra gamat pops. Chem tancha, Rotsa shen, chem tancha, chem tancha. Tres, Tuga moritz die gels, Tuga moritz die. Tuga moritz die gels, a Georgian song by I can't remember.
Shota Arveladze.
Whoa, that was a no. It's not. But
He's a football player.
Hida reckons it's by Shota
Arveladze.
Arveladze, which is legit a Georgian name. So I thought you'd been like texting your dad, and your dad was like, "Oh yeah, I met this dude," and
Yeah.
yeah.
We did know Georgian people when I was small. We had a group.
I remember you saying they came over and visited you, right?
There's a super nice guy called Givi. I don't remember the rest. I remember he's bald with a big mustache.
Oh.
Nice guy. I don't remember anything.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for joining. We are kind of at the halfway mark. We're a little bit before. It's lovely that so many of you are watching on YouTube. If y'all are on Facebook, head over to YouTube because the sound is like, thanks to Joaquinho, our sound technician slash camera slash just awesome guy. Same time next week. Remember to invite some people because, you know, sharing is caring. Thank you in advance. Some people have already donated. Thank you very much. There's links above the Facebook and below the YouTube video that you can find there for Tiki and PayPal. Thank you very much, everybody, for anybody who's donated. What else is that? Yeah, subscribe to my channel. I hate being one of these guys, but, you know, I kind of have to be. Subscribe to the channel. It really helps me. And just get, like, everybody you can to subscribe. And I get to reach more people because it starts becoming more suggested. Suggestions, if you have any suggestions, write them into the box. I might not be able to do them. But it's always nice to get, like, you know, inspiration, because sometimes I discover stuff I'm not realizing that I haven't thought of. And otherwise, just enjoy the rest of the concert. We haven't done any other Spanish songs yet. So here is a beautiful...
There's a request as well.
Oh, there's a request from...
Be Yourself by Triple Red.
No idea. Who is that from?
Triple Red? I've never
No,
heard of
La
them
Monica
or heard
Stallings.
of them.
Okay.
By La Monica. La Monica.
No, yeah, I don't know I don't know Be Yourself. Sorry about that. I'll look into it. We're going to go to a not very famous Spanish band from, I think, from Madrid. And they were instrumental in helping me learn Spanish as well. So this was also a part of how I learned this. It's a really beautiful Spanish song, beautiful jar, ding, called Es tu voz, which means it's your voice, and it talks about how the voice of the other person is the thing that keeps you going, it's the voice that keeps pushing you to carry on, it's the voice that loves me, and I know that I'll be here if you want me in your world. That's the lyrics of the chorus. So, great song by Taxi. I hope you all enjoy it. En el invierno escribo canciones que me hacen vivir. Son las historias que me hacen raíz en las ideas que hay dentro de mí. Y yo busco algo nuevo que me haga sentirme muy bien. Y da igual lo que dicen, da igual si no entienden por qué no nos podrán romper. Es tu voz la que me empuja a seguir, es tu voz la que me llama a mí, y yo sé que aquí estaré si me quieres en tu mundo. Amor y miedos, y cómo se vive esta vida, es lo que me haga sentir. Si con mis temas lleno tu alma y te hago ser parte de mí, y comparto algo nuevo que nos toca a ti y a mí. Da igual lo que dicen, da igual lo que cuentes. Estuos by Taxi. Or they used to be called Taxi.
There was also a band, Portuguese band named Taxi.
Ah, did they do the same song?
No.
Oh, okay. That would have been a good coincidence.
I think it's quite a boring name.
Estuos. Oh, Taxi. Yeah, Taxi could be a better name.
Portuguese ones have some really nice songs. But
Let me.
rock songs.
Yeah, this is also a rock song. I mean, if you hear the
Yeah.
original, it's like.
Oh, okay.
Estuos. Yeah. Okay. I haven't played this in absolutely ages. It's in E major again. So it's at least it's not E flat major because like the whole first half of the concert was
Are you going up now?
yeah. Now there's been a few sharps.
Natural.
This is a Catalan song. I mean, and it's just an awesome song. And this is one of the songs that I translated into Cornish. So next week I will probably do the Cornish one. Anyway, this is just basically about being drunk in a bar because the singer can't live without the other one. And once again, I haven't played this for like 2 years, so this is going to be interesting if I still remember the Catalan and still remember the melody and the piano arrangement and everything. Saps que estic boig per tu, em passo els dies esperant la nit. Com et puc estimar si de mi estàs tan lluny, servil·li acabat, boig per tu. Sé molt bé que des d'aquest bar jo no puc arribar on tu. Però dins la meva copa veig reflexada la teva llum. Me la beuré. Servir-li acabat, boig per tu. Siguis al matí, les llàgrimes es perdran entre la pluja que caurà ara avui. Em quedaré atrapat, ebri d'aquesta llum, servir-li acabat, boig per tu. Sé molt bé que des d'aquest bar jo no puc arribar on tu, però dins la meva copa veig reflexada la teva llum. Me la beuré, servir-li acabat, boig per acabat. Servilia acabat. Pois partou. Pois partou. Boig Partu, Crazy for You, a Catalan song by Sao, but made famous for me by Shakira, of course.
Didn't you do a couple of her songs already?
I have done a few Shakira songs, absolutely. That's
The one about the mountains.
Hida just recently found out about this the Shakira lyric when it's about the mountains.
Oh, yeah.
And yeah, exactly.
About the Andes.
About the Andes
It's
as
actually
well.
about the Andes.
Yeah, those ones.
I sing that to myself quite often now.
I don't know if you guys can hear this, but Hida's saying about how much he sings this Shakira song with that specific line to himself.
Yeah. I think about it all the time. Honestly.
About your not the breasts not as big as mountains.
Yeah. And also how I have strong legs.
Okay, this is a song of a little medley that I thought of today, and I didn't get a chance to play it yet. So this is gonna be hearing these guys still talking about Shakira.
No, about mountains.
Yeah.
It's geography.
I think there's whatever you want to call it.
She's a modern day Nostradamus.
Oh my lord, guys!
Oh my god, that's embarrassing.
Oh my lord.
Tell the story.
Nope. They've got good beef on me of some story, which we're not going to go about on that. Okay, you guys all have to sing along at home, along with me. Kiss me out of the bitter barley nightly, beside the green, green grass. Swing, swing, swing the spinning step. You'll wear the shoes and I will wear that dress. Oh, kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Leave me out on the moonlit floor. Lift your open hand, strike up the band and make the fireflies dance, a silver moon sparkling. So kiss me. Kiss me down by the broken treehouse. Swing me up on its hanging tie. Bring your flowered hat. We'll take the trail marked on your father's map. Oh, kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Leave me out on the moonlit floor. Lift your open hand, strike up the band and make the fireflies dance, a silver moon sparkling. So kiss me. Kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Leave me out on the moonlit floor. Lift your open band, strike up the band to make the fireflies dance, a silver moon sparkling. So kiss me out on the bitter barley nightly, beside the green, green grass. Swing, swing, swing the spinning step. You'll wear those shoes and I will wear that dress. Oh, kiss me up on the milky twilight. Leave me out on the moonlit floor. Lift your open hand, strike up the band and make the fireflies dance. A silver moon sparkling. Oh, kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Leave me up on the moonlit floor. Lift your open hand, strike up the band and make the fireflies dance. A silver moon sparkling. So kiss me, we get it almost every night. When that moon is big and bright, it's a supernatural delight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Everybody here is out of sight. They don't bark and they don't bite. They keep things loose, they keep things light. Everybody was dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. We like our fun and we never fight. You can dance and stay uptight. It's a supernatural delight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Here we go. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. We get it almost every night. When that moon is big and bright, it's a supernatural night. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing and dancing and dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Ja, ja, nou, ja.
Goed einde.
Ja, goeie einde.
You earned the right to play, like 15
15
refreshing-
sappy,
Yeah.
sad
Sappy.
songs.
Feel
Well, ha 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 ha. Funny that you say that I can now play sad songs because guess what we have for all of you listeners?
Happy sound.
No, like a million sad songs after the.
enthusiasm.
Yuppie.
Beth sent 2 mountain emojis.
I'm very happy that my sister's still on the Shakira.
Thanks, Beth. Appreciate it.
Wid says thanks, Beth appreciates it. Also, another translation that came through today by the amazing Tim Saunders, who is an amazing Cornish poet. So we're heading all the way back to Cornwall now. And it's a translation of a Welsh song called, in Welsh, Ar Hyd y Nos, in Cornish, Pub yw'r Annos, and in English, meaning, well, the English title is All Through the Night, which is the Welsh one, Ar Hyd y Nos, but Pub yw'r Annos is every hour of the night. Most of you will know this. It's a really gorgeous song, and he sent me. Well, and there's an English translation as well. So this is. I just thought I'd read this because it's such a gorgeous text and it's such a lovely. That you guys really know what you're listening to. It's a very deep, like introvert melody. So it's nice to really know what's going on. I can already tell that I've just been singing a lot of happy songs. My voice isn't trained for this happiness.
Your own self.
We're on YouTube, so I'm not going to continue down these jokes.
Let's discuss it
We'll discuss it over vodka later.
after hours.
Anyway, this is the English translation of the Cornish, which y'all are about to hear. The stars of heaven together say, every hour of the night, here is the way to the land of glory, every hour of the night. The darkness is another kind of light, where there will be a vision of every secret that we know. Look how quiet the sky is for us, every hour of the night. The smile of the star is a sweet smile, every hour of the night. A light that endlessly gives to us, every hour of the night. Old age is a night for the weak soul, through which the stars cast light, constantly, forever and forever, every hour of the night. Pub ur annos. All through the night.
I like the birds.
Yeah.
It's really great here because we have the windows a little bit open, so we can hear the bird song coming through, and it's really nice to have like a nice major chord with the third, and have the birds coming in through the window. It's really great.
Yeah, but I'm afraid people in their houses are not listening to that.
No, for sure. I'm not.
I'm sure there's an app for bird sound.
Yeah. So if you guys want to have the same effect, just quickly download an app for bird song. Just put it on for like 3 seconds at the end of every song. Okay, what else do we have? Guys, if you have any suggestions, y'all have been quiet today. I mean, no judgment, but, you know, I mean, the majority of people, you all know what I can sing, so, yeah. Yeah, I've got other stuff I do. I guess I'll just keep doing my...
Respects by Aretha Franklin.
Yeah, unfortunately not. That would be cool. Oh, yeah. Got my hands, got my hair. I want to learn that for next week. Okay, promise, y'all, viewers, that will be on the program last week. This is. I forgot to play this like 3 weeks ago for Yod and Diravim. He hasn't requested anything since. So this is for Yod.
Or maybe it's a message for you.
He's a fool and don't I know it, but a fool can have his charms. I'm in love and don't I show it, like a babe in arms. Love's the same old sad sensation. Lately I've not slept a wink since this half-pint imitation put me on the brink. I'm wild again, beguiled again, a simpering, whimpering child again, bewitched, bothered and bewildered am I. Couldn't sleep and wouldn't sleep when love came and told me I shouldn't sleep. Bewitched, bothered and bewildered am I. Lost my heart, but what of it? He is cold, I agree. He can laugh, but I love it. Although the laugh's on me, I'll sing to him each spring to him, and worship the trousers that cling to him. Bewitched, bothered and bewildered am He's a fool and don't I know it, but a fool can have his charms. I'm in love and don't I show it, like a babe in arms. Lately love's the same old sad sensation. Lately I've not slept a wink since against this half-pint imitation. Put me on the brink. I'm walled again, beguiled again, a simpering, whimpering child again, bewitched, bothered and bewildered am I. Couldn't sleep and wouldn't sleep when love came and told me I shouldn't sleep, bewitched, bothered and bewildered. That one's from an absolutely amazing film called The History Boys by the BBC. And if you all haven't,
I think it's like Great American Songbook.
yeah, I mean it's not from that originally, but from The History Boys. They do a lot of covers of American songs primarily from musicals. And this is one of the ones they would do. Oh, Mum, I'd rather be sailing. God, I haven't sung that in years. Let's see if there's the lyrics. It's from a musical, so I'm not sure. Yeah, but anyway, long story short, y'all should check out The History Boys because it's a really great film and it's got some lovely things. Yes, just a quick round of messages again. People watching on Facebook, don't watch on Facebook, go to YouTube because the sound there is way better thanks to João Ginho having set up all of these amazing mics and the webcam and everything. Like on Facebook, it's just my mobile, so like quality 0, YouTube quality 100%. Yeah, 11 maybe. No, anyway, Joao's doing a great job. Thank you, Joao, we love you. Loads of you have already donated. That's really sweet. That's really kind. Thanks very much for that. For people who want to donate, there's links up and down depending on where you're watching from. On YouTube, it's just underneath. Yeah, keep sending in suggestions. Linda, you mentioned about He Ain't Heavy, He's My Brother. I had forgotten that. I'm going to write it down right now for next week. And I will do that. I'll learn that for...
Also answer some emails.
Oh yeah, no, just do an email while I'm doing it. No, just writing it down. Anyway, I'd rather be sailing. Yeah, I haven't sung this in forever.
Donkey's years.
In donkey's years, absolutely. I hope it goes all right. I do remember doing it in G, which is good.
Mom taught me that.
This is oh yeah,
Donkey's years.
yeah. Donkey's
Are
years
they longer?
is a really apparently so.
Long time.
It's apparently my mum taught Hida this phrase of donkey's years.
Yeah.
It's a good phrase.
She used it casually.
Yeah,
Especially in Donkey's years.
this next song is called Sailing, and it's from a musical called A New Brain, where this one guy is singing to his boyfriend before he has to undergo brain surgery about how he'd rather be sailing instead of being in a hospital bed, which I think is absolutely understandable. So it's quite a sad setting, but it's a really stunning song. Let's see if I remember it. I'd rather be sailing, yes I would. I'd stand at the railing if I could, feeling wild and free. The sun is on my neck, the wind is in my face, the water's incredibly blue, and I'd rather be sailing. Yes, I'd wanna go sailing then go home to you. Sex is good, but I'd rather be sailing. Food is nice, but I'd rather be sailing. People are swell, but I'd rather be sailing over the horizon. And I'd rather be sailing, yes I would, on an open sea. I'd stand at the railing if I could, feeling wild and free. The sun is on my neck, the wind is in my face, the water's incredibly blue, and I'd rather be sailing. Yes, I'd wanna go sailing then come home to you. The sun is on my neck, the wind is in my face, the water's incredibly blue, and I'd rather be sailing. Yes, I'd wanna go sail. Then come home to you. Oh, that's such a good song. I love that song. Very good suggestion. Thanks, Mum. Oh, that's made me very happy. I haven't sung that in absolutely ages. Oh, okay. Staying in the UK, we'll go a little bit over time because we started. Obviously, we started so much later. I'm just looking towards the patrons, if that's all right. Mogen we 20 minuten?
Volgens mij zei ze het niet.
Ja. Ja, goed. Ja, we hadden gewoon wat techproblemen toen we begonnen. Dus vandaar dat we zo laat begonnen waren. Dus ja, nou, maar leuk dat we het even over kunnen gaan. Dus we can stay here, so don't worry, y'all aren't going to miss out on the music for tonight. And we're going to go to Scotland now. We're going to do a really lovely song called Oh Can Ye Sew Cushions. Guys, can you whisper more quietly?
Yes.
Yeah.
How more quiet do you want?
It's like having this weird ASMR, like coming from behind the tech desk.
But that's it.
And I mean, I appreciate the thought, but
You know it calms you down.
okay. Oh, Can You Sew Cushions? A traditional Scottish song. Ja, nu krijg ik gewoon slappe lach, jongens.
Okay, even centraal.
Ja. Oh, can ye sew cushions, or can ye sew sheets, and can ye sing ballad when the bairn greets? And he and and he and Harla, and he and Hamberdy, my bonny E-O, what would hide away your black's the life that I lead with you. Money's all your little fort again. E-O, what would hide away? Sing balalula mi, sing balalu dear, does Willa me ken that his daddy's near? Ye rockin' full sweetly on mammy's warm knee. But daddy's a rockin' upon the soul sea. E-O, what would hide away black star life that I lead with you? Money, so your little fort again. E-O, what would hide away? Hey, von Kesanen we sever. Hey, farewell and then forever. Dark in heart from tears I'll pledge thee. Warring sighs and groans I'll wage thee. Unfortunately, I need the text, sorry.
Fill the time with a good joke.
Who shall say that fortune grieves him while the star of hope she leaves him? Me despaired around me nights and me. I'll never blame my partial fancy. Nothing could resist my Nancy. For to see her was to love her. Love but heard and love forever. Had we never loved so kindly, had we never loved so blindly, never met and never parted, we'd have never been broken hearted. For the will of first and fairest, for the will of best and dearest, they'll be ilka joy and treasure, peace, enjoyment, love and pleasure. If we land we sever, farewell, alas, forever. Deep in our drawn tears I'll pledge thee, warring sighs and groans, I'll wage thee. That was Oh Can Ye Sew Cushions. Yeah, that was what I did, right? Yeah. And then I did A Fun Kiss by Robbie Burns. And that's my own version of it that I wrote for Charlie, who is here in the chat. Hello, Voyager. We finally worked out who you are. Lovely being able to sing for you all tonight. And hello, Victoria. Super cool that you're there. Yeah, we've still got a few songs. Oh, I promised this is a bit of a slow one. I've got 2 more slow ones. Yeah, we can do that. Okay.
Slow Dancing in a Burning Room.
Oh, that's a really good one.
For another day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's Hida just suggested. Yo, yeah. Ja, man, echt. So I promised Hibiki-san. I don't think he's watching, but I will send him the link afterwards. I've been playing a lot of games in quarantine, and one of those games is Final Fantasy, because they just released it for the Switch. Go and get it if you haven't already got it, because it's like amazing. So this is Suteki Dane, meaning isn't it wonderful, from Final Fantasy X. Suteki dane. Isn't it beautiful? From Final Fantasy. So when people tell you video games don't have good music, you need to go to a... Yeah, it's just absolutely not true.
Play the Civilization one.
Oh, man, yeah. Now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now.
I demand.
Okay, I have a... Not so much a suggestion as a demand from the backstage crew here.
Otherwise we finish the
What's the...
transmission now.
They're holding me hostage. Sono... What's it? Sogno di volare. You guys...
You should know it.
I don't know the text, bro.
Well,
Something like that. Do I have to do it properly? No. Okay, good. Okay.
if you want.
So yeah, there is good video game music. And Sogno di volare is definitely one that people should check out. And Baba Yetu, man. Baba Yetu, Yetu. That's definitely a good one for next week. Actually, I can do that. Although I do have to learn how to sing in, is it Xhosa or Swahili? Anyway, just showing my European ignorance here. So, yeah, we've got time for a few more. This one was requested ages back. We're on a little bit of a sad run, but, you know, you all have had your fill of happy songs for today. So it's just going to go downhill from here. No, that's a lie. Don't click away. The last song was actually a little bit happy. Like, 40% happy. Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would it be the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven. Would you hold my hand if I saw you in heaven? Would you help me stand if I saw you in heaven? I'll find my way through night and day, 'cause I know I just can't stay here in heaven. Tears in Heaven by Eric Clapton. Yeah, it's time for the final medley.
I think it's pronounced Clapton, actually.
Mm-hmm. Thank you very much, everybody, for joining us. Yo, guys, nog 5 minuten.
Discussing
Still discussing Shakira.
size of the mountain.
Okay, right. Thank you very much for joining, everybody. We're really thankful that we're able to be here in the Muziekkamer again. I'm thankful for João and Andre and the Conservatoire this time for the use of the. Am I not supposed to say that?
I don't know.
Of the not the Conservatoire for the use of the equipment. And thanks to all of you guys for watching. We've had loads of donations, so thank you very much for that. If you still want to donate, the links are underneath the video on YouTube and above on Facebook, and the links stay active afterwards as well. So you can donate further down the week, just in case that was what was holding you back. Otherwise, let us know more suggestions for next week. It's been great singing for you all this evening. Have a great weekend. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a good Flora Day and a good Veterans Day in the UK. So, with this, we're going to leave with 2 American songs, which are from, the one is from Brokeback Mountain, which is where I first saw about it. And once again, if you haven't seen it, go and watch it, because you're in quarantine, you have no excuse to go and watch it, and it's an absolutely beautiful film. And I suddenly thought of this song today, thinking that it would be a lovely one to end on.
What is it about?
The viewers can discover what it's about for themselves. And just to, as a homage for our Kentucky listener, we've got another traditional American song woven into it. So, home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. I don't want to say goodbye. Let the stars shine through. I don't want to say goodbye. All I wanna do is live with you. Just like the night of the morning, after the darkness has gone, the shadow of my love is falling on a place where the sun always shone. Don't you know that's where our hearts both belong? I don't want to say goodbye. Let the stars shine through. No, I don't want to say goodbye. All I wanna do is live with you. Together our 2 hearts are strong. Don't you know where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. Good night, everybody. Have a lovely night. Have a lovely weekend. Stay safe and healthy. Subscribe to my channel, donate. There's like 100 books and films and songs I told you to listen to. So you all have homework. Have fun with that. And otherwise, have a lovely week and see you all same here, same time next Friday, 8 till 10 and... Oh, man. I'm tired. 8 till 10 o'clock Dutch time, Central European time. Until then, have a lovely week. Ciao.